I'm a systems thinker and I love planning projects. To be completely honest, I didn't realize how much I would enjoy the work that I'm doing right now until I had this opportunity to connect with researchers in the field, with all of these experts that created the content. I mean, I've been in education for over 30 years and I continue to learn. I learned new skills today. I'm overhearing some people sharing some ideas. Over the course of the last 2 months, I've had the opportunity to train over 200 trainers for the work. To date, we have 730 para-educators that have been trained. And these days are filled with, it's the magic that you see behind me. These are the people that are making this project happen. They're all highly trained individuals in their field. They come from ISDs, they come from local districts, they're school psychologists, they're behavioral consultants, they're supervisors, they're all walks of life. I hope they're walking away today feeling confident in their skills and confident in knowing how to use the materials. They walk away today with physically, a kit that has everything that they need to train 30 trainers, and that's all provided and covered through the grant. But even more importantly, I hope that they're leaving today with the excitement of sharing the information, with a plan for sharing it back to their local districts in a way that's meaningful for their paras.